Welcome to Database Mart's channel. Today we'll show you how to generate an SSL Certificate Signing Request, CSR, on a Windows server. Generating a CSR is a prerequisite for applying for an SSL certificate. So let's do it together step by step. First, log into your Windows server through Remote Desktop and open the IIS Manager. Click Server Certificates, then click Create Certificate Request in the right hand of the panel. This will open the Request Certificate wizard, where you'll need to fill in your organization and domain information. After filling in the details, click Next. In the next window, keep the default Microsoft RSA as channel cryptographic provider selected. Set the bit length to 2048 or higher, then click Next. Now choose a location to save your CSR file and enter a file name, for example, yourdomain.csr. Click Finish to generate the file. Your CSR file is now ready. You can open it with Notepad and copy the entire encoded text when you apply for your SSL certificate. You've successfully generated a CSR on your Windows server. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Database Mart's channel for more step-by-step server tutorials.